elephant is the largest mammals on Earth that have massive bodies, large ears, and long trunks. Trunks used to pick up objects, trumpet warning, greet other elephants, or suck up water for drinking or bathing. Thus, extended teeth used by elephants to protect their trunk, lift and move objects. It also used by elephant as defense. Do you know elephants use tusks to dig holes to find water underground? There are two species of elephant, such as African elephant and Asian elephant. African elephant is the world's largest land mammal, while Asian elephant is the smallest elephant on the earth. The distinct characteristics can be seen clearly based on their size of ear. Communication can be defined as transmission and reception of signal from one group of animals to others lead to change in behavior of animals.
Elephant is the most intelligent animal on earth. They not only have giant physical, but they also have the largest brain. Elephant language. Elephant communicate through signals. Why elephant gives signals? Elephant give signals to secure their defense, warn others of dangers, coordinate group movement, reconcile differences, attract mates, and announce their needs and desire. Researchers found that elephants use more than 70 kinds of vocal sounds and 160 different visual and tactile signals, expressions, gestures in their day-to-day interactions. Interesting, right? This is why we call elephant is the most intelligent animals on land. Habitat selections. Habitat selections refer to the rules used by organisms to choose among patches or habitats that differ in one or more variables, such as food availability or predation risk, that influence its fitness. African elephants prefer tropical forests because of abundance of food source as their habitat. However, African elephants also live at savanna, mountain, and desert. The elephant eat leaves, twigs, and bark from trees. They also eat bushes and uproot trees and pull them using their strong trunk. In desert and mountain, elephants undergo adaptation by dig holes in the ground to find water. This is the way they survive if not enough of vegetation. Elephants have ability to go long period without water and can drink 45 gallon water per day. Asian elephant found in hot, humid, grassy area in rainforest jungle. Asian elephant eat vine, roots, leaf, grasses, and shrubs. For habitat selection, during dry season January to April, Asian elephants undergo adaptation by moving from forest to river alley where they closer to water. Once rainy season, May until August, they will migrate to tall grasses forests where rainy season causes abundant grasses. During wet season, September to December, elephants move on to short grasses area of the open forest around the jungle. From the explanation, you can understand habitat selection and foraging behavior is associated with each others. Foraging behavior includes all the methods by which an organism acquires and utilizes sources of energy and nutrients. Foraging theory seeks to predict how an animal would choose to forage within its environment based on knowledge of resource availability, competition, and predation risks. This can be concluded that all elephants migrate throughout the year, changing in their habitat corresponding with rainy, dry seasons and availability of food. Humans destroy elephant habitat by doing various activities such as deforestation, illegal hunting, plantation, oil plantation, and rubber plantation. All activities causes elephants lose their habitat. Therefore, we must conserve their habitat and foraging behavior. There are many conservation centers in Malaysia that conserve elephant, such as Kuala Ganda in Pahang. Have a visit and learn more about elephant. Love yourself, love the biodiversity, and the elephant will love you. Thank you.